Hello everybody, Eric back here, and I want to do a quick video on the Ronde de Bordeaux fig tree. It's time for the main crop to be coming in. We've eaten several figs off of this, but this is just a video to show how amazingly productive this variety is. This is a first year in-ground tree. It was about 8 inches tall when I planted it in the very last of April, maybe the 1st of May. And this is one summer's worth of growth here. And I call it a fig factory because it is just loaded up and down every branch. And there are getting to be a lot of ripe figs on here now. And of course the flavor is amazing. You know, the whole strawberry jam thing, you know, it's a little bit of molasses in there. But every one of these branches loaded up with figs. This is one summer's growth from a newly planted tree. And just think, you know, when it comes out next year after having an established root system, what it's going to be like. But we've had a little bit of grasshopper damage here, but I saw a grasshopper eating them earlier, so I know that's what did the damage. But just amazing. The tree, for vigor, production, flavor, and I have not had it through a winter in ground, but it's supposed to be very cold hardy. I cannot imagine this tree not being #1 on fig lists. I'm gonna excuse the dog there. Okay, she's really upset. All right, well, thank you very much for watching. You know, I know there's a lot of videos on the Ronde de Bordeaux, RDB, but just wanted to do one more this year to show just show the production and the vigor of this tree. Hopefully it's as cold hardy as they say. And I'm going to try one more. Let's see. Oh, here's one. Here's one hanging over here. That's a perfectly ripe one there. Just amazing. All right. Thank you very much for watching Ronde de Bordeaux.